Hey guys, welcome. My channel is Sips, Lips, and Makeup Tricks, and my name is Jeannie. Now, I've got a lot going on and a lot to say before I jump in to the reason for this video. So first and foremost, if you are here watching this video, thank you so much. If you could just hit that subscribe button, it would mean the world to me, and you are here just at the very right time because tomorrow is my July giveaway. I do giveaways every single month here on my channel. Tomorrow I will do a video showcasing all of the items that one person will win for the month of July. It is going to be Christmas in July. That is the theme of the giveaway, and I have so many amazing items for this giveaway. I am so freaking excited. So now, second to that, I today received my second Jeffree Star mystery box. I previously unboxed the $60 blue premium edition for the summer mystery box, Jeffree Star. And today I received the $100 yellow deluxe version of that. So I also have a Jeffree Star giveaway going on. Now that is completely different from the giveaway that will be going on starting tomorrow. If you want to get involved in the Jeffree Star giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed and go over to that video and let me know your favorite Jeffree Star product, and you are entered into that giveaway. That giveaway is to honor 200 subscribers on my channel. I passed that threshold a few days back, and you guys, that is so exciting to me. Thank you, each and every one of you. To the people that have been here from the beginning and to the people that just subscribed, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I have a place where I can come and get excited about makeup and skincare and share all of that with you because my husband doesn't want to hear about it. So that means everything to me. And I'm not a monetized channel. I do hope to get there one day. I would be lying if I said that I didn't care. I do hope to get there, but I'm not there yet. So each and every one of you subscribing to my channel really means the world to me. Okay. That was a whole lot. Enough of that. So right now I'm here to show you my very first BoxyCharm add-on haul for this month, which you guys, this is crazy. I have never received any of my add-on orders until the following month. So you order BoxyCharm add-ons. It is a massive sale that BoxyCharm puts on every single month for its members, where you can order high-end makeup and skincare products at a very discounted price. Well, normally you order it and then you get it the following month. So I ordered this last week and got it today. That is the fastest I have ever seen it. Now, I will say that the add-on sale this month was a little underwhelming. Normally, there is a whole lot to get excited for when it comes to BoxyCharm add-on sales. This month, I noticed that a lot of products that were on there last month were like way more expensive this month. Like things that we could get last month or the month before for like $9 are all of a sudden like $24. So I don't know what's going on with that. It's a little bit frustrating, but I did, the very first time that I went in, I've got 4 add-on orders for this month coming. The very first time that I went in and did my first order for the month, I was completely underwhelmed and bummed out. But the fact that they got it out so quickly really made me really happy. And of course, I couldn't help it, and I went back in and ordered some more. So I do have 3 more on the way. Don't tell my husband. But okay, so let's just go ahead and get on to the items that I received. I have all of them on right now. The first item is from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and this is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This is in the shade Butter. I received this in a BoxyCharm maybe 2 or 3 months ago, and I use it every single day. I still have a ton left in mine. It is in my top drawer where I keep all of my everyday makeup. Now, my collection is huge. I've got like drawers and drawers and vanities full of stuff, but my top drawer is like the stuff that I use every day. So this is it. I've been using it for months and still have like almost a whole thing of it left. It lasts forever. but this isn't something we see on the sale every month. It was not something that I have seen on the sale before at all, except for I think the month that we got it in our boxes. So since it's something that I use in my everyday routine and I was able to pick it up on a major discount, of course I went ahead and grabbed it. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute. You do get a really decent amount of product for a setting powder. It lasts forever and ever. I do believe I'm going on 3 months with this and probably have quite some time before it will be gone. But now I have a backup for when it is gone. It does retail for $32. I want to say I picked it up for, it was either $9 or $18. I can't remember how much it was in the sale, but either way, it was well below 50% off. And since it's something I use every day, I definitely wanted to go ahead and get one. Okay, so moving on to the next item, I have really been enjoying Ciate London's products lately. I grabbed one of their palettes not too long ago. It's called the Editor palette. Absolutely stunning, totally blew me away. So when I saw their confetti highlighter, I thought it was super gorgeous. It does retail for $32. I believe I was able to pick it up for $6. So this is what it looks like. It does come with a mirror, and then it's got some, it's like a bronzy, and then it almost looks like popcorn with like some white in there as well. So, trying to get like a good angle where you can really see it. But anyhow, I do have it on right now, and let's talk about the good and the bad with it. Now, I hate to say anything bad because I don't want to feel like I'm like downing lines. I really love Ciate London. Now, let's talk the pluses. The color payoff is amazing. Like, the pigment in this is like, whoa, 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 okay? However, it almost is like a little bit too much. I barely even like touched my brush on it, and this is what I got. And then on top of that, I did feel like it accentuated the texture and pores in my face quite a bit. So, there is that. However, I am going to continue to play around with it and see if I can get it to work. And at the very least, I think it would be a gorgeous eyeshadow. So if I can't continue to use it for a highlight, then I will definitely use it for an eyeshadow. So I will, no matter what, get use out of it. It was definitely worth purchasing it and giving it a try at the price point. I think the real problem was the accentuation in the texture of my skin right here is the main reason. I could definitely, even with like how glowy it is, I like a super dewy finish, so I love pretty glows, but that's kind of like almost blinding. That doesn't bother me. I could find a way to dull that out for sure, but can I find a way to fix the way that it texturizes or accentuates the texture of my skin? I don't know. It's possible. I'm gonna play with it and find out for sure. So there is that. Now, this is something I have been eyeing for a while. We always see the Huda Beauty palettes. I picked up the Gemstone Obsessions. It is absolutely stunning. I do have it on right now. Now, I will say there are two things that surprised me with this purchase. This is the palette. The colors are absolutely stunning. And the things that surprised me were, number one, how multi-chromatic it is. And my camera is not going to pick it up, but these shades are multi-chromatic to the max, okay? Like, this one right here is super stunning. It's purple and blue and pink at the same time. This one here is stunning. It's almost like a highlight, but it's got some blue and green reflex in it. Like, in person, this is super stunning. What surprised me in a bad way was how tiny it was. So the picture in BoxyCharm is a bit misleading. It made it seem like the palette was about this big, which it definitely is not, but that's okay. They do retail for $27. I picked it up for $12, so I am definitely not complaining. And the way that the colors are, I mean, I'm in love. I love super shimmery and chromatic looks. So, yeah. I did make a look with it today. I will say that I also went in with Dominique Cosmetics Transition Palette, Ofra Cosmetics Highlight, and then I did this really gorgeous color right here in the middle on my lid. So super stunning color. I can't wait to play with this some more, and I think I am going to go back and grab the one with all of the browns as well, because now that I see how gorgeous they are in person, I definitely want some more of these. So, and the very last product for today's video is another Ciate London. This is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. It does retail for $22. I believe I picked it up for $6. It might have been $12. I'm sorry. It's so hard to remember. I do order a lot of things. Whoa. Freaking whoa. Ciate London, I am going to go ahead and pick this up in every single shade. I am somebody who loves glitters and chromatic looks, as I just said, but you guys, I have this on right now over the other Huda shadow, and I know you're not going to be able to see it because I've got some lashes on, so I'm going to give you a swatch. Holy shit. This is the most gorgeous freaking thing I have seen in a long time. Yeah, my camera is not gonna pick that up correctly. How can I get this to, oh my god, you guys. So it is pink with gold reflex, but I mean, I have never seen one so gorgeous, so shimmery. I wish I could get my camera to pick those shimmers up, but I know it's just impossible. So, damn it. Anyhow, I am telling you, this is amazing, this stuff right here. So amazing. I am definitely going to get it in every single color that they have possible. I'm still obsessed with trying to find a way to show you how gorgeous it is. Dang it. Oh, well, as somebody who loves liquid glitter toppers and liquid shadows and liquid shimmers, let me just tell you, this is one of the best. And I will be ordering every single color that they have to offer in this product. So, yeah. Anyhow, that's it for today. Those are my items. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to be entered in the Jeffree Star giveaway, go ahead and find that video and let me know what your favorite Jeffree Star Cosmetics item is. And boom, you are entered. 1 week from today, the winner of that will be announced. And then tomorrow, definitely keep your eye out. I have got a whole table full of high-end beauty and skincare items for my Christmas in July giveaway. And until then, stay safe, stay beautiful, and thank you all so much for being here with me. I love each and every one of you, and I will see you soon.